Thank you. Pardon my belching.
And like, ask. Damn.
I burped today on Hot Topics. I don't think that's happened, like where it actually comes out.
I was up at like 7 o'clock in the morning, in the city by 8 o'clock in the... The funny thing is... Excuse me.
$500?
Yeah. Sorry. Ooh. As a matter of fact, she's probably the one who took the picture. Anyway, Charlie issued a statement, by the way, admitting, I'm sorry, during one of the recent open houses, classy. And Lamar's upset. But Lamar was pushed back. It was pushed back because The Rock was working on acting a fool. And you know what? For 450 bucks, where is everything? Everything. Lester might be doing well in the world, until he gets sentenced, And her husband, Romaine, wants her to stay. Apparently, this one right here, but she comes from the modeling world. Classy. And I like Heidi Klum, 45 minutes in, so I'm rushing, eating my food at the same time, getting my makeup and hair done. I'm swallowing air, so I apologize. Ugh. No.
I'm gonna bring a minimum of 3.
And, oh, I belched, sorry. And now let's take a look at Kyle. Oh my gosh. Blue Ivy's middle name is Ivy. She is a Republican. You know, she passed away in 2010, and sorry. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. Yeah. Because, you know, when it's your wedding day, you're not focused on any one person. Sometimes not even your new husband. Because your head is, spinning. I'm sorry. Your head, yeah, all the oxygen. Now, Jen was in the color purple. Oh. I tell you, if you talk enough, you know you get the air. Bye.